G'day, welcome to On the Road Australia. Today I'm travelling to the Colo River, northwest of Sydney, just to try out my new Mavic 2 Zoom. So I've set it all up, charged the batteries, and just want to see how it compares to the Mavic Pro, which I still love. I'm going back to a spot just near a bridge where a few years ago I crashed my Phantom 3, hit the bridge, went in the drink. My cousin jumped in and saved it and cleaned it all out like it was fresh water and put rice in and to soak all the additional water out, and can still fly today. So even though I was advised that I never fly again. Anyway, let's see how we go, and come along. Roll the intro.
'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the land on earth we come, we share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia.
that was a fun couple of hours looking around the Colo and Colo Heights area and testing my new Mavic 2 zoom, and it performed fantastically. Is that a word? Anyway, I was really impressed. So hopefully I can get out a bit more with that drone. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Hooroo! Telephone, they said you were not home. That's a lie. My people.